Hello, this is how to make good revisions for your friends by Dad, also a teacher. Hey, the first thing you need to do is you need to have effective comments, not some of these junky ones that you guys put up there. I mean, quality feedback, not something like, oh, I think you did a great job, or wow, I really liked that. You need some details. You need to be precise. You need to be specific. Don't just give loosey-goosey kind of a lousy feedback. Also, it should show really obviously that you were actively reading what you looked at. You didn't just skim through it, throw a couple of comments in here, put some information in there, and walk away. Hey, take a look at this video, see if this helps you. So here you are in a Google Doc, and you need to add some comments. What you need to do is be an effective reader, be an active reader, so you actually look at it. So you're reading through here, student revision guidelines. You see number 1 is teach the difference between revising and editing. So I want to add a comment here. I'm going to highlight, and over here on the right-hand side, up pops my add comment button. I'm going to add a comment. The comment could be, it's got to be specific. For example, I might write, what is the difference, better spell that correctly, between revising and editing? Could a question on that. It's a specific comment. I go further down and I read this one. Teach students how to use suggestion mode in Google Documents. I'm going to double click on that one, and then I'm going to add a comment, and my comment is going to be, what is suggestion mode? Question mark. I have never heard of this. I'm going to be specific here in my comments. When you're done, notice these resolve buttons pop up as well. If you're the author of the article, you better be doing some resolving of all of these that are here. When you look specifically. When you're adding, you need to add your comments that are specific and they've got lots of detail. They need to also be positive and they need to be polite. Here I've got that written out right here. And I'm going to remind them, make sure your comments are positive and polite. Nobody likes a rude brat. So there you go.